Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna take you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new MG HS. The car looks so good. Look at the new front with the large grille, the new MG design language, and then we also have the slim LED headlights, really giving it a strong appearance on the road. Now if we move on here to the side, the length of the vehicle has been increased compared to the predecessor. So 45 millimeters longer, 4 meters, 65.5 centimeters is the length of the petrol unit that we have here. Let me show you the wheels from close. There we go. And these are actually the 19-inch ones. So 225, 55 are 19. And now let me show you the rear of the car. Look how cool does this look. Such a strong appearance on the road. The X shape here for the lighting signature, and then the connected taillights. Really nice and elegant look, but also very sporty as well. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the design? Now if I press this, the tailgate opens and the trunk space has been increased. So 44 liters more and up to 507 liters of space. We also have this special cover in here. And then of course you can pull this to have the privacy for your things. Press this, the tailgate closes, and we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night point of view test drive with the new MG HS. So let's open the door and look at this. So we have the black exterior and tan interior. I think this combination is so good, and I've turned on the lights, so okay, we can go now, but yeah, let me just show you the seats. How cool and how gorgeous does this look? I think the spec is phenomenal on this one, and this tan interior is definitely my favorite. And now let me show you how it looks from driver's perspective. All right, and this is your view as a driver. Let me start the car and put on my seat belt. And as you can see, the layout is so nice with the dual screens, and the materials, they're so good, and it feels so nice to be behind the steering wheel here in the new MG HS. And before we start, let me just show you the 360 cameras. So look at this, with the lovely view, and also very practical, very convenient, as it will help you maneuver through tight parking spots, for example. And yeah, well, now we are ready to go. This is the gear selector of the automatic transmission, the DCT that we have here. Put it to drive, release the electronic parking brake, and off we go. And let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. It's the petrol model, so the 1.5 liter petrol turbocharged engine. It is producing 169 PS, 275 Newton meters of torque. 9.4 seconds is the time to reach 100 kilometers per hour, and the top speed with the automatic transmission is 195 kilometers per hour. Now you can get this engine either with the 6-speed manual or the 7-speed DCT, dual clutch automatic transmission, that we have here, and it works so smooth. You will see through the drive today, of course, and I think you will love the drive itself just as much as I will. And there will also be a plug-in hybrid. So the plug-in hybrid is coming, and it has impressive all-electric range of up to 75 miles, so up to 120 kilometers. I will test that version as well, so stay tuned for that video. But again, the focus of today's one is the petrol unit that we have, and soon we will depart this rather huge garage to go on a nice drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. So let's go. And you can see also the view from camera when you turn on the indicator at lower speeds. And the layout here in front of us, you can see the 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and then in the middle, again 12.3-inch screen, the main touchscreen. They're connected, so look like they're floating, and they give this dashboard a beautiful modern look. Now you can also change the views that you have here in front of you on the digital cockpit. So let me actually show you that. If we go here to vehicle and cluster, now you can see the map view, for example. Look at this with the 3D view of the buildings. This is beautiful. And then there's also the intelligent drive. This is how it looks. And again, the speed theme that you already saw. But my favorite is the map view. So let's put this one for now. I think it's very nice with the 3D view of the buildings. And for controlling of the AC, you have this on the main menu, and then you can adjust it in here, and the temperature in the lower section. You can also slide it like this. And there's also the physical button here to turn on or off the AC. Also some other buttons, including the home menu. And let me show you the navigation. It looks so nice, and the lovely 3D view of the buildings. But let me also show you this. So I already showed you the cluster themes, but if we go to the settings, there we go, you also have the light theme. So of course, not sure how much the camera is catching it now, but I will put back the dark theme for the night drive, of course. But yeah, this is how it looks, and you can also adjust the brightness for the screen. So I've put the same brightness now. Let's put back the home menu. And this beeping sound is the speed warning. So it's mandatory by law in Europe. So when you go over the speed limit, there's a beeping sound every time you turn on the car, and then you need to turn it off in the settings of the car. So we can do it here. Okay, so now it is turned off. And I'm really loving this drive. I hope you are as well, as the car is so nice, so comfortable. And I also drove with it to Istria, and it was a 3.5-hour drive, and it was so smooth and relaxed. So definitely such a good road trip car, and yeah, feels so good here behind the steering wheel. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the layout here of the interior? How do you like the screens and the infotainment system? And of course you can pair the phone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let's do another 360 view. There we go. And the start stop can be switched like this. There we go. You can also go into the menu, so you go here to the vehicle and then you can also turn it off, but this is like the shortcut. And this car is packed with technology, the driver assist and safety systems. You can configure them here under the MG Pilot. So driving assist, and then for example the front collision assist. So we have also the lane departure assist, and then moving on you see also the rear driving assist, including the blind spot detection, lane change assist, and rear cross traffic assist. Door opening warning, rear collision warning, driver fatigue monitoring, and the driver distraction monitoring. So really a lot of systems here. And yeah, again, I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like it? And how do you like this specification? And during the creation premiere, I also filmed other specifications, other colors, so you can watch that video on my channel to see also how they look in some different colors. And stay tuned also for the many more videos to come with this car. Now you can see the blind spot assist. So if I turn on the indicator, this starts to blink, so that you know that you have the car in your blind spot. If you want to shift it manually, pull this to the right, and then you see you can do it manually, and do this to go back into the drive and to the automatic mode. And let me just show you this as well. So instrument immersion mode, when you turn it on, you will see that when it's activated, the instrument display will only show key vehicle information. So for example, in this view, this is how it looks. Then if we go to map view, you will have the full map, and then intelligent drive, this is how it looks. So very nice and smooth. And while we are here in the vehicle settings, if you go to driving, you can then also adjust the steering between comfort, normal, and sport. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.